Hey man, it's your boy Moneyman Rome, and happy holidays to everybody out there. You know, it's the season of giving, but like the bike, it doesn't give a fuck. So the other day, it threw the chain like a motherfucker, and I've been having that same issue since I've been riding it. So I know y'all see all the slack that's in the chain. We're going to shorten the chain and then also bring the camera over, cause I broke the chain tensioner or the axle tensioner, whatever it's called. So we got some new ones. I got a whole bunch. And we're also gonna shorten the chain, bring out the breaker. Then we gotta do some more maintenance. Your boy bought some brakes too, cause them brakes in there is gone. I've been sliding like it's been feeling greasy. So today we gonna drop the whole back wheel and we're gonna do some maintenance on CharChar. So let's get to it. All right, probably gonna have to use a screwdriver. There we go, got it with the screwdriver. We're gonna use the Chanel locks to put it back on now, so y'all don't think I'm over here being an incompetent fool. Bring the camera to the other side so we can take off this brake assembly. Y'all can see that. Not a 12. It might be a 13, okay. Good, we don't fuck with 12 anyway. Wow, okay, 14, big 14. Big 14 might be too big. Yeah, 14 too big, so I think it is a 13. I'm in a rush, man, I'm in a rush. I know I shouldn't be doing this in a rush. No. So what is it? Hold on, what's the other side? The half inch? Pissing me off. Alright, hold on. Maybe it's 9/16. That seems to fit 9/16. Okay. It's a weird size. There we go. Not too hard. All right. Yeah. All dirty and oily, man. And it's hot out here, so I'm sweating a bit. Make sure we keep that 9/16 by it, cause I'm a little slow, as we see. All right, now we gotta find, I think it's a 17 right here. Yeah, 17. We got the 3/4, so I'm gonna put it on the other side. Pop this wheel off. Oh, first let me undo the chain tensioner. Let me undo this other axle tensioner first. All right, bring out them two ratchet rats. Let me switch them. Hold on. 3/4 on one side, this on the other side. I hope the bike doesn't fall. Jesus. Hold on. Jesus Christ. Come on. Give me this break. I think that's tightening it. There we go. Jesus. That was tight. All right. Woo! That was tight. I know I gotta get this bolt with this pin through it down here. I know. Woo! All right, got that out. Yeah, I know. So I gotta get that bolt with that pin down there. Where's my little tweezers? There's that, and that's like covered in oil. Well, I'm having an oil issue with the bike, so don't take no sense to that. I'm actually about to get a bigger block soon, so we're about to change all of this up anyways. So CharChar is gonna be even more teed up soon. It's gonna be TT with them aunties, as I like to say it. This is the chain tensioner that broke. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, it broke on me the other day. So that's mainly what I'm replacing. And we also doing the brakes, because my brakes is gone. Let me see this. Yeah. Brakes are gone. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah. It's really slick in there. Really have no brakes most of the time. It's not good. So, doesn't look too hard to change. Let me get the new brakes out. Oh, my hands are disgusting. I should have worn some gloves. Jesus. So, these are the new pads. Y'all can see that. Yeah, not too bad right there. New pads. Bought these off of Amazon. Zonny's on, you know. All right. See, these springs are stiff. So it goes like this. Yeah, okay. Let me put this where y'all can see this real quick. Boom. All right, let's do this. All right, my hands are disgusting. Look at this, gonna need a deep clean after this. But all right, so springs are super stiff. So you see, I can't pull it by hand. Like you can, but it's not recommended. So it's really not too bad though. You just put that one on there and then put that one on there. Shouldn't be too bad, but it looks like those springs in there, these are longer. It's the same size, but it looks like those springs are a bit longer. Make sure I don't lose this. I'll make sure I won't. I'll make sure. All right, so, woo, it's hot out here. So let me get my tweezers. There we go. Pop right off. Boom. See? So, got that one off. It's the old one. Make sure it's the exact same size. You always want to double check before you put something in. Always want to double check. So, same size, everything, just, you know, better compound. So, all right. The spring. Okay, hold on. Let me see something. It's my first time doing this. Don't roast me in the mints. Please don't roast me in the mints, man. Oh, the spring completely fell out. Jesus. All right. Oh, okay. I was like, why is it not sitting properly? All right. Okay. Hold up. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You know we got you, bitch. Oh, I almost put my finger into the dang spring. Fuck! Yeah, that one hurt. That one hurt. All right. Gots to be careful. Gots to be fucking careful, bro. It's right here, motherfucker. Fuck! Ow! That was my whole arm that time. Shit. Y'all don't be like me, man. Y'all don't be like me, man. Y'all do better. Do better, please. That one hurt. That one hurt. I know y'all got the loud noises in the background. That's the trash can coming through. The trash man. Almost got it. It's close. There we go, motherfucker. Woo! Bro, that shit hurts. I'm not bleeding, but I don't know if it's gonna focus on me. Yeah, that shit scraped my finger pretty well. That shit hurt. Got a little red mark, but at the end of the day, we did it. So y'all can suck my dang-a-lang. So, alright. Put the brakes back on. And let's take out the new tensioners. Jesus. Still roll. Oh no, that bitch stiff. Oh. Don't know why it's stiff because of that. Okay. There we go. Jesus. Let's go and take the pain away. This gas and I'm cooking up that 808. And shit like every day. Kids say we grew up and we never play. Daddy say to go and take the pain away. It's gas and I'm in that 808. Alright, where's the kingpin, whatever the fuck it is? Just seen that shit. Oh, Rome, bro. Oh, there it is. Okay. I'm a little slow. Whew, I'm tired. Exhausted. Jesus Christ. Alright. If I remember properly, let's just put it in the pedometer, by the way, actually. Oh, a little more. Okay, hold on. There we go. That should be it now. I think I pushed out the wrong one. Third moment. That's the wrong one. That's the right one. Jesus, wrong. There we go. It's the second link, not the first one. There we go. Got it now. Yeah, probably have to adjust the motor a bit. It'll be alright. Just need to get rid of that slack. To adjust the motor. So that means I gotta drop, take the bike off of this. So hold on. Wow, that was loose. Let's see wind. Huh. Yeah, it's a good thing I'm checking it because one of my bolts from my motor was loose. Wow. Good thing I'm checking it. That's probably why my chain was popping off in the first place. All right. Whew. Come on, bro. Come on, Rome. Rome. Alright, come on. These Colos. There we go. Alright. Got the chain on there. Take this off real quick so I can put this on. Boom. Extra link on. For the most part. Put them Chanel locks to use. Come on, bro. There we go. Boom. Not the best angle to be putting on the fucking magic link, man. Jesus Christ. So close. Come on, dog. Where's the screwdriver? Jesus. Put on the glove on the other hand. Make sure I don't stab myself in the hand. Jesus. Oh, this is pissing me off. Oh, grab through it in dirt. I'm bleeding somewhere else. Great. Pussy. There we go. And it's on. See? Motherfucker giving me all that issue. I don't know why with the Chanel locks it didn't want to work, but screwdriver right in. No issue. Alright. Got some slack in it. She's good. All right. So, she's all done. And I'm hot. And let me go get cleaned up. Then I'm out. I'll see y'all later. Moneyman out. We're going to have a video of the ride out with all the guys on phone them. So, yeah. But I'm going to see y'all. Y'all be safe. Ride safe. And keep the shiny side up. Kaboom.